Hello everybody, tonight we make easy dish. We make pappardelle with a meat sauce. I prepare everything over here. I was buy the meat and I chop the meat by myself. I got over here garlic and onion. I got wine, parsley and little basil together and mix. I got my own make sauce and I got the tomato paste. I want to use a little tomato paste. Now we bring everything on the other side on the stove. Okay, the wine, the meat, and we put the gas on. We warm up the pots over here, and these pots we make a fig. We make the marmelada. Ma amore. Ancora. E salute Cin Cin, e I want to say thank you very much for all your support and thank you so much for the stuff. Salute e Cin Cin. A salute. Okay. Now we start with a little oil. I want to do the meat first. Okay, I want to make it. You got a little, make a little wet, a little damp of the water, the meat. But look how beautiful meat I got over here. So beautiful. And we lower the flame a little bit. And we gotta make a nice all right, we make this so nice.
What kind of meat are you using?
This is the short rib. It's with no bones. And I was buy like this, like I say, a slice, nice little piece. And I got a machine, and I chop it by myself. Cino mare, facciamo amore, ancora. So marinare. Thank you very much. Salute Cin Cin. Thank you for the stuff. Salute. You see what I say? You see, it got a little wet over here. This is one time you cook a little bit of the meat, everything will disappear. Torna sorriendo. All right, look at that. Sentimento.
Thank you everybody for the stars. Thank you. It helps a lot.
Thank you very much. Thank you. E I want to do salute Cin Cin. A salute e thank you for the stuff. Salute. Okay, look how beautiful. Okay, you don't want the bit too brown. And this is good. And now we put the garlic and onion. And we make a nice cook this two together.
You need to put some meat that it has like little fat so it tastes better.
Yes.
Chop
You see,
Yeah.
the short rib, you got a little fat. It's really good. You know, when you cook, it's more tasty.
Something like the other one, no? Chuck roast.
Yeah, the chuck roast, it's the same thing. The chuck roast, you can do the miso, you chop everything. And the chuck roast, you got the fat. And I like little fat inside. So it's only dry, really dry meat. It don't come out too good. The miso, like so you make a meatball, and the meatball, you need a little fat too. Okay, now for this you gotta cook a little bit the onion, the garlic, and I put this tomato paste.
He drinks it's called Concha Toro wine, red wine.
Okay, this is low. I got it right over here. I like this. It's really good. I like it. It's dry. I don't like the sweet wine. I like a dry wine. And this it's really good. I like. Okay, now. Salute Chin Chin, and thank you very much for your support, and thank you so much for the stuff. A salute. And the pappardelle, it go really good with my oh yeah baby. Look at this. I got oh yeah baby all the time in my kitchen. All right.
Hello from England. It's late there.
Hello, England. Thank you to watch England. It making me happy. Everybody making me happy. Okay, now we give wet a little bit with the wine.
Yeah, I like hot pepper also. We like spicy food, yes.
Okay, look how beautiful now. Now this you gotta evaporate all the wine. Okay, you gotta evaporate the wine. Because if you do this, you know, it tastes the wine or the meat sauce.
We're having people from all over the world. Thank you everybody for watching.
Thank you, thank you. I want to clap for everybody. E salute Chin Chin and thank you for the star. A salute.
Actually, he's cooking and cleaning after.
Okay, now this is my tomato sauce I make. It will give a little shake. Okay. Hey, you know, every time. Okay. All right. Now we see the color, a beautiful color for my sauce I make.
Somebody like chicken franchise. I didn't pick up the name. It was really good.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yes, chicken franchise. Look at the sauce. Okay, now this you gotta cook for 1 hour. Okay, see now the sauce, everything, the meat. See, you want a really, really good sauce, you gotta cook. You gotta cook on low. No pour too much high. One time you start the boil, make sure the low the flame, and cook slow. Okay, now we put a little salt, little black pepper,
Allora make salt in bocca.
and I got over here parsley and basil. It's a mix it together. It give a really, really good taste. And we give a nice mix. Okay, now this, you can cook any kind of the pasta you want. You can cook spaghetti, linguine, rigatoni, penne, shell, everything you like. What kind of the pasta?
Do you put cream in your sauce?
Cream?
Somebody's asking.
No, please. No cream. No cream. I don't like a cream. But, see, you like a cream, it's okay. But me, it's what I like this. Okay? Look at this, so beautiful. Okay? This one time this cook, the sauce come thick, and we got a pappardelle. It's really delicious. And after on top of the pappardelle, you can use a little Parmigiano cheese or pecorino cheese. And with my oil, baby, and with my glass of wine, and this, like I said, you gotta cook for 1 hour. And I want to say to everybody, thank you very much for your support, and thank you so much for the stuff. And we see you again next time. Thank you very much. The look, all the world you look tonight, all the time, not only tonight, it's all the time. Thank you very much, everybody. Salute, Cinci. A salute. Thank you very much.
Well, if you like oregano, you can put oregano. Any spices you like.
Oh yes, oregano. Yes, you can put oregano. It's a really, really good oregano. I like. Yeah, you can put it. It's a really good. It give a really good taste too. Oregano. Yes. It's a really, really good idea. You put oregano. Yes. Okay? Okay. Salute, Cinci, and thank you very much for your support and for the stuff. Salute, Cinci. Drink wine for me. Thank you. A salute.